2026 is the biggest opportunity of your life. AI is changing business, jobs, and money. And the people who learn how to use AI today will become the winners tomorrow. Here are 7 powerful ways to get rich in 2026 using AI. 1. AI automation services. Businesses want to save time and money. You can set up AI chatbots, auto-reply systems, and workflow automations. Charge between $300 and $2,000 per client. Just 10 clients can make you thousands every month. 2. High-income AI skills. Learn AI-powered skills like copywriting, video editing, UI design, or coding with AI. Companies pay high rates because AI makes your work 5 times faster. Skill plus AI equals money. 3. AI digital products. Use AI to create ebooks, templates, planners, or courses. Upload once and earn passive income every day. Digital products are one of the fastest ways to build long-term wealth. 4. Faceless YouTube automation. You don't need to show your face. AI can write scripts, edit videos, generate voiceovers, and create thumbnails. Channels about AI, business, motivation, and tech grow very fast. Even a small channel can earn a good income. 5. AI tools for local businesses. Local shops need AI but don't know how to use it. Offer them booking bots, customer service chatbots, and automated social media posts. Simple tools can earn you big monthly payments. 6. Build online brands with AI. AI can create logos, full branding, websites, and product ideas in minutes. What used to take weeks now takes hours. Fast branding gives you a huge advantage in 2026. 7. Smarter investing with AI. AI helps you analyze markets, news, and risks. Not for gambling, but for smarter long-term investing. Slow, steady investing builds real wealth. AI is not replacing people. AI is empowering people. Those who use it will rise. Those who ignore it will fall behind. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to follow and stay connected.